Welcome back to my channel CBSE Maths Class 3. If your child is in Class 3, please don't be late to subscribe my channel because I am sure that you will get all the topics in Class 3 based on CBSE syllabus. And also, I have done videos till geometry, numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, fractions. Now I am doing geometry. So please subscribe my channel and please keep on motivating me. As I said, I am sure that my videos will be helpful for your child. Today I am going to teach about solid shapes, cylinder and cone. So let's start the video. What is a cylinder? A cylinder is a solid shape. This is an example for a cylinder. Can you see this? This is like a bottle, right? Yes, all the bottles are examples for cylinder. You can see this structure up and down. There are two flat faces. So a cylinder has two flat faces, 1 and 2. Then one curved face, this one. This face is called curved face. So total faces is equal to 3. There are 3 faces. 2 flat faces, 1 curved face. There is no corner. We cannot see any corner because its base, this flat face is what? Circular in shape, right? So this part is called its edge. Where 2 faces meet, that point is called edge. So this part is called its edge. So 2 curved edges, we can say 2 curved edges. One is here and the other one is here. 2 curved edges. Total 3 faces, 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. Also 2 curved edges. Now we will write it. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 flat faces, 1 curved face, 2 curved edges and no corners or vertices. What all are the examples for a cylinder? I said you water bottle. Water bottle is the best example. Then water tank. A full chalk piece. No new chalk piece. When you take, you can see full chalk piece. Then you can see a candle. New candle. When you take new candle, its shape is also cylindrical. Gas cylinder. Gas cylinder is the best example for cylinder. Gas cylinder, water bottles, chalk, new chalk piece, candle, these all, and new pencil. Some pencils without sharpened. If you take this pencil, this is the sharpened one, not like this. Both the edge, new pencil, okay, like this. Both the edge, both the face, sorry, not edge, both the face like this means that new pencil. Also, we can say example for cylinder. Next solid shape is cone. This word is familiar for you, right? Yes, ice cream cone. Do you like ice creams? Ice cream cones are the best example for cone shape. Not only ice cream cones, birthday caps. You all are celebrating your birthdays, right? And you all are excited to celebrate your birthdays. That time you used to wear a birthday cap which is a cone shape. Then mehendi cone. These 3 are the main examples for cone. Now let's see its features, its properties. See here, this is vertex. So how many vertex a cone has? Only one vertex. This is flat face. Flat face. And this is curved face. When I draw, I can draw only like this. But actually it is curved face. When you see ice cream cone or birthday cap, you can see one curved face. This one curved face. So total 2 curved face. Curved face. Total 2 faces. Okay. Total 2 faces. One flat face and one curved face. But if they ask dash curved face, then you have to write one curved face. Dash flat face, then one flat face. Dash vertex, one vertex. So a cone has everything 1. Everything 1 means vertex is 1, curved face is 1, flat face is 1. But total faces is equal to 2. And also I have said already real life examples.